Hello, hello, hello. This is April Cobb with Tender Moments, and this is another edition of DIY Tender Moments. It is my favorite time of the year. It is Christmas time, and today I am going to be putting up my Christmas tree, my girly girl tree. So this one is going to go up. I'm going to put it up in my office this year in the Tender Moments studio. I call her Lady T. So I'm going to show you guys, you want to make sure you can put your own flair, your own spin on this. So you want to make sure you get lots of gorgeous ornaments and things in the color scheme that you like. Be creative when it comes to pulling together the accents. So ribbon, floral, all of that. I like to play with all of those elements. The framework that I'm going to be using, this is like I don't know if this is chicken wire or what. My husband had this left over from some of his stuff out in the garage. So I was like, hey, can I get some of that? He's like, yeah, what you going to do with that? So he's going to see what's going to happen with it. And then you want to make sure that you have some zip ties. This will be important. Any size will do. We're going to cut them down. And then this here is an embroidery hoop. So you're going to get your embroidery hoop, and that's how we're going to attach it to our mannequin. Now I got my mannequin online. I'm going to put a link to in the description box below. I use it for more than just my tree. I use it at events and so forth when we want to put something on there. And so you're just going to unscrew that, and that's how we're going to attach to her waist. Okay, and that's how we're going to get the framework to come on there. So I'm going to show you guys some of these preliminary things, and then I'm just going to go to work. This is my second time putting up the tree. I made her for the first time last year. So I've already got a bin with my garland taken out of the packs. So you just get any garland. This was some garland that I found on sale. You know, you can always find good deals around the holidays. So it doesn't have to be, you know, super fancy. Like I said, because I needed so many packs, I just got what they had on sale and went for it. But you could use, you know, the white kind with frosted snow, you know, just whatever you think will make your look great. So the first thing we're going to do, we are going to attach. Again, you're going to just put your embroidery hoop on. So I'm going to do this. Bring it to the back. And then I'm just going to put the screw back in there. So I'm just screwing that back on. So that's her little belt. So I'm going to put that on there, and then we're going to be able to go to work here and start attaching the frame. Now again, because I had I made it last year. I actually had footage last year, but I didn't realize there were some issues with the footage. So at any rate, we're going to redo some things today. So mine already has some of the, I've already started putting some of the garland back around on the chicken wire stuff here. But for you, you just go wrap around and around and around and around. And once you have that part done, you're ready really to soar, ready to fly. Okay? So also, let me just say this. If you have not already subscribed to our channel, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on any tender moments. All right, let's get started with making our dress tree. So the first thing we want to do is we want to take our roll of the chicken wire, and you're going to unroll it and cut off a piece where you can wrap it around your mannequin frame. And depending upon how this just came a standard width, I don't even see the measurements on it anymore, but again, from your local hardware store, you get that. And you just need that framework to create our dress form. So you wrap it around, and you will secure the back. My husband actually bent the wires together for me, so every year I wouldn't have to reform it. But you could zip tie it. And so once you get your embroidery hoop frame on here, then you're going to take your zip tie. And this is going to, again, this acts as our belt. This is how we are getting it to stay up. Let me go the other way on our mannequin. So this is white on white, so it might be kind of hard to see, but you're going to take your zip tie. Oops, it would help if I did the zip tie the right way. And pull it. Okay, so you can see now this is acting like a belt. So our zip tie is on there. I've got a zip tie on the side, and I'm going to add, the zip tie to the back. So that's creating a little waistline for our mannequin. So again, I just do 4. I did the one. I've got one on each side, and now I'm adding one to the back. Again, think of this like a little belt. Okay, then you take some cutters to snip off the long pieces so it doesn't look crazy sticking out. Trying to hide our mechanics here. All right, and so now I'm going to finish attaching all the garland. So for the garland, you simply just start wrapping it around, taking row by row to make sure that you fill in any gaps. And every so often, I hook the garland. I'm going to show you this in now. Most of the garland has these little hooks. So every so often, I hook it into the wire so that it'll all stay together. So let me resituate my camera, and we can show you how to get the dress base with our garland. Okay, now that we have got our skirt on, our dress, garland dress skirt on, we are ready to start glamming her. So first things first, you know, you got to put on the lights. So what I did, I bought the net lights. I just figured that would be easier to put the whole, to use these net lights that are for bushes and stuff outside, because then that way I don't have to deal with going around and around and around with a bunch of string lights. So I just bought one set of 150 count lights, and again, these are the net lights, so they're already, you can attach more than one. I just did the one. And you see they're already in a little grid. So that's what I like about them. Then all I have to do is just really lay it on there, and it won't be anything to it. Not much to it. So yeah, that's why I like the net lights, especially for this project. Unlike a traditional tree. So let me just get the cord out and we'll put these bad boys on there. So just lay it on there. You see what I mean? It's not really much effort. I'm knocking ornaments down in the process that I've got set up over here. And I'll just kind of tuck it in up top here. And you see we've got this. I'm going to connect it back here. Then I'm going to plug these puppies in. And so with very little effort, she's all lit up. She is all lit up. Don't you just love it? So just like that, now she is gorgeous, ready to go. And now for the fun part, start decorating. Okay, now for the fun part. Let's get her glammed up. So first I'm going to put this on the top part. This is just a sequin, rose gold sequin table runner that I use, that I have on hand for decorations. I'm going to take a couple of corsage pins and we're just going to make her a little top. Looking like a little shawl. Cover her up, you know, we don't want to be indecent. Always be a lady. Don't show too much. Give them just a little something. You just play with it. Make it how you think is cute. I'm going to just make it like a little halter top. Also, this is a great way if your embroidery hoop is showing it all, just to kind of make sure your mechanics of your dress are not showing. And I'm tucking it. I'm just tucking it down, and then just for extra support, just in case, I'm going to pin it to my dress on the sides, to the dress form, just so she doesn't have any wardrobe malfunctions. Can't have that happening. Make sure she's in place. Isn't that cute? Then that's how we drape the top of her. And I took check this out. I just took some strand of bling here that was already put together. This is a, I don't know if I got this in the jewelry section at a craft store or if it was an ornament, but I just tied a fish wire around it. Put that up top. And that'll be her necklace. How cute is that? Okay. And now let's just get decorating. So I love pink, and I decided to do her in pink and mauve and rose gold. Again, just find was beautiful to you. Colors that you love. And work with them.